Hello friends, in the previous video we discussed the interface of Dreamweaver, Adobe Dreamweaver CC 2019, and in this video I will show you that how you can define a folder for your website. So what you will do, first of all, open your desktop or any other place of your computer. I will create in my desktop like on my website, and then open Dreamweaver and click on site and then click new site. And here you can see a Dreamweaver site is a collection of all of the files and assets you use in your website. A Dreamweaver site usually has two parts: a local folder on your computer, as we created, where you store work and work on files, and a remote folder on a server where you post the same files to the web. So we have created a local folder in our computer. So now here the site name we will define, and local site folder. So click browse for the folder and click on desktop. Now we have on our website folder. So click this and then click select folder. Now here you can see there are different more options which we will discuss later, but right now only we need this one, that is called site. So click on save, and when you click on save, now in the files panel you can see this will appear on our website, and also here you can see it is showing the path in your computer. It's in desktop on our website folder. So same thing, if we create a new folder like my e-commerce website, for example, the folder name is this. Now site and new site, like my e-commerce website, site name, and the local site folder. From here you can select my e-commerce website, then click on select folder and save. Now you can see this folder, this website is working. So if we will create new document, any document, and then we will save, so Dreamweaver will automatically save the document in this folder. If we open the first folder we created and first we define here in the site, so we can select on our website. Now if I create any document and if I save, that will directly save in this folder. If you click on site and manage sites, so here you can see now we have two folders, two websites, different websites. If we want to delete, we can delete from here. If you want to edit, you can edit from here. So this is you can define the folder for your website through the site, new site, and in manage sites you can manage different sites folder. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also share the video with your friends, and also tell me your feedback through comments. Thank you very much once again.